Ever wondered if those old teacups or that stack of tin cans in your kitchen could be put to better use? What if they could transform your garden into a colorful, eco-friendly oasis? Gardening is not just about nurturing plants, it's about nurturing the environment too. Unfortunately, many of the pots and planters we use are made from materials that don't decompose, like plastic or ceramic. They end up in our landfills, contributing to the growing problem of waste and pollution. But there's a solution. Today, we explore 5 creative ways to turn common household items into beautiful, sustainable garden containers. First, consider those vintage teacups or mismatched mugs sitting at the back of your cupboard. They can become charming mini planters for succulents or herbs. Their unique shapes and patterns can add an element of character to your garden that standard pots can't. Next, let's talk about tin cans. They can be cleaned, decorated, and transformed into colorful planters. You can even stack them to create a vertical garden display that's not only functional, but also a work of art. Old wooden crates or fruit boxes can also find a second life in your garden. The natural wood can add warmth and texture to your outdoor space, setting a rustic backdrop for your plants. Then there are those worn-out tires. With a bit of paint, they can become large, durable planters for flowers or small shrubs. Their size and durability make them perfect for outdoor use. Lastly, don't forget about glass jars. Mason jars, wine bottles, and other glass containers can become excellent self-watering planters when paired with a simple wick system. They're a beautiful, sustainable solution for indoor gardening. Now, the most innovative upcycling idea of them all. This idea truly showcases the power of creativity and sustainability in gardening. In summary, upcycling everyday items into garden containers is a brilliant way to reduce waste, save money, and add a personalized touch to your outdoor space. It's about transforming your garden into a sustainable oasis, a place that's as good for the environment as it is for your soul. So the next time you're about to throw away an old item, think twice. It might just be the next star of your garden. And remember, creativity knows no bounds. Your garden is a canvas, and these upcycled items are your paint. Share your upcycled garden container creations in the comments below. And for more DIY inspiration, don't forget to check out my other videos on